Let me ask you this. Are you looking to create positive, lasting change in your life? Improve your health, self-image, confidence, and even find some form of inner peace? I was. I wanted to find some inner strength, self-confidence, all of that. But where did I start? What do I do? Who do I talk to? What method should I use? For me, I found the vehicle of hypnosis. And that was just the first tool of what I was looking for. And it was a long journey. Hypnosis is a tool for opening possibilities. But where to go with it? Now, hypnosis gave me some immediate benefits just by using self-hypnosis. The constant physical pain I felt all my life disappeared. But that was just the start. It was a journey that led eventually to creating Simpson Protocol. That's what Simpson Protocol does. It shortens your journey. Simpson Protocol connects you with what we now call superconscious mind that will connect you with the optimum outcome for you at that time. And then you can go back to Simpson Protocol at any time to take the next step. Simpson Protocol is holistic and inclusive, meaning it covers all the bases. Think of Simpson Protocol as a universal tool for creating the positive change you desire. And then if you choose, you can learn to use Simpson Protocol to help others find the way to lasting change. Simpson Protocol live online classes. You can click the link below and find out the details of my boutique small group Simpson Protocol classes.